खाती रेलों में, गन्नों के मीठे में, खद्दर में छींटे में, ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे तब वो ईंटों में। रंग है समाज बिखरे और खुल के आज बिखरे, मन जाए ऐसी होली, रग रग मचल के बोली, दस है ना।
Participants of obstacle race girls, Akshara, Laksha, Arohi, Suhani, Sanshya, Sakshi.
Banana race. There are no speed limits on the road of success. So let power and speed be your hands and feet for banana race. Enjoying bananas, excelling the selection process, the participants of final round of race are
Among boys, Aditya, Jaisal, Meetraj, Arihant, Siddharth, Shaurya.
खद्दर में छींटे में, ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे।
We have been requesting again and again. It's a very kind request. आप लोग प्लीज अपने अपने स्थान ग्रहण करें, क्योंकि कुछ पेरेंट्स जो पीछे खड़े हैं वो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। सभी देखना चाहते हैं इवेंट को। I kindly request all of you to take your seats so that everyone is able to view the show.
कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया।
The final round participants of Banana Race Girls, Anahita, Suhani, Sakshi, Sana, Shreyanshi, Bhavna.
बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए।
Come on girls, we know we can cook, but show them we can also eat better.
कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए
Show all your strength and show all your speed. We want all of you to see our happiness podium. Let's see who gives it the best.
चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया। लड़ती पतंगों में, भिड़ती उमंगों में, खेलों के मेलों में, पल खाती रेलों में, गन्नों के मीठे में, खद्दर में छींटे में, ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे तब।
I'll request Mrs. Angana ma'am to escort Mr. Darshan to give away the prizes to the winners. Gold medal Harshit, bronze medal Arihant, silver medal Pratikshit and gold medal Harshit. Bronze medal Smridhi. Silver medal Anmita. Gold medal Kavya. Please clap for them. bottle filling race, boys. Bronze medal for Trishant. Silver medal for Pranshu. And gold medal for Kavyansh. Bottle filling race, girls. Bronze medal for Namya. Silver medal for Shobhita. Gold medal for Hirva. Next, obstacle race for boys. Bronze medal goes to Poncharnesh. Silver medal Lakshya. And gold medal goes to Vansh. Obstacle race, girls. The winners are bronze medal goes to Suhani. Silver medal goes to Arohi. Gold medal Laksha. Next is banana race. Boys winners are bronze medal goes to Arihant.
Chasing a dream, burning to follow the flame.
Silver medal Aditya. And the gold medal Meetraj. Banana race, girls. Bronze medal winner is Shyanti. Silver medal Anahita. Gold medal Sana.
race. I may not be the fastest, but I may also not be a sportsman if I'm not trying my hardest. Here are grade 2 kids trying hard to burst balloons in next race. They showed that speed, strength, and cleared the quarter and semi-final rounds. Participating in final rounds are
Among boys, Khush, Manav, Deven, Siddharth, Kush, Abhilash. Come on boys, show all your strength and all your might. Show that you have immense pressure and power. Yeah, we have the winners. Give a huge round of applause for them. Final round participants of balloon bursting race girls: Janvi, Freni, Anya, Chainika, Nishka, Nisha.
हर हाल में पाना है
competition make us faster, but collaboration make us better. Showing their excellent coordination before you are participants of three-leg race.
Undergoing quarter and semi-final rounds of selection. The best coordinated pair selected for final round are
First pair Deven and Dwanit. Second Nivan Param. Third Yakub Onik. Fourth Vishyut Rohan. Fifth Roshan Bilal. And the last one Ronak and Siddharth. There might be differences, but today they are working as a team. The participants are three-legged race girls: Anya Vidushi, Vatsi Nivedita, Chainika Heer, Nishka Prachi, Anushri Aisha, Niyati Shreya.
चल मोड़ दे उसका पंजारा सात आसमां चीरे अब सात समंदर
अपने बच्चों के लिए तालियां बजाइए। वो मेहनत करते हैं, वो जीतते हैं, उनकी हौसला अफजाई बहुत जरूरी है। A huge round of applause for all our deserving and winning participants. Now I would like to request Mr. Manoj Dubey to facilitate our winners of balloon bursting and three-legged race. I request Principal Sir to accompany Sir till the victory stand. Winners of balloon bursting race boys. Third position has been bagged by Kush Gondalia. He needs a clap. At second position stands Manav Dodia. And the winning tile is Siddharth Singh. The bronze medal is bagged by Kush Gondalia. The silver medal bagged by Manav. And the gold medal won by Siddharth Singh.
खून में तेरे मिट्टी मिट्टी में तेरा खून खून में तेरे मिट्टी मिट्टी में तेरा खून ऊपर अल्लाह नीचे धरती बीच में तेरा जुनून सात आसमां चीरे अब सात समंदर पीरे चल सात सुरों में कर दे ये ऐलान
Winners of balloon bursting race girls. At third position stands Nishka. At second position we have a tie, Janvi and Anya. And the first position has been bagged by Chainika Negi. A huge round of applause for all the winners, please. Winners of three-legged race boys. At third position, winning bronze medal stands Ronak and Siddharth. Bagging silver medal, we have Nivan and Param. And the gold medal has been secured by Roshan and Bilal. Appreciation is their encouragement. Please give them a huge round of applause, parents. Winners of three-legged race girls, the bronze medal has been won by Chainika and Heer. Winning the silver medal, we have Vatsi and Nivedita. The gold medal has been bagged by Niyati and Shreya. Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honors and encouraging our kids.
Parents, teachers and my dear children. What a pleasant atmosphere here. Lovely ambience, very good playground and very well organized event here. Thank you so much, Principal Verma, for inviting me here. It's really wonderful experience to be with this school and the children particularly. Now, giving medals, yes, this is a formality to me, but each and every child who participated is a winner according to me. At this tender is coming and participating and coming and competing in itself is an achievement, in itself is a medal for each and every child here. Now sports has many advantages. It teaches the transparency in the system. It teaches the team spirit, and it teaches to work together, to learn to work together. At such tender age when brain is in the process of developing, children are growing very fast, I think sports play a very significant role. And I'm very happy to see the enthusiasm, the smile on the faces of the children that really attracts everyone. Now to parents, I have, you're all experienced people, but then one simple advice, please encourage your children to play. Now it's a digital time, what is happening here, they are playing but playing on either computer or on this mobile phone, that we must stop, because there is a term now, digital vision syndrome, that is on rise. So I'll request the parents to discourage the children from these technological things. To some extent they should, otherwise please encourage them to come towards natural system, which is good for mental as well as physical health. And these children, parents need unconditional love. Please, unconditional love we have to shower on these children, and they will grow in such a nice manner that we all will feel proud of them. Sincere thanks to the management for making such wonderful arrangements, and I'm deeply impressed because the program is started well on time and it is nicely managed. Thank you so much once again, and greetings to all present here.
Passing tunnel race. Build for your team a feeling of oneness, of dependence on one another, and of strength to be driven by unity. We all can work, but together we win. Competing before you are teams fought a race.
Team 1, Arav, Vaibhav, Chintan. Team 2, Dayan, Naitik, Navdeep. Team 3, Diptanshu, Dakshraj, Neerav. Team 4, Shivansh, Uttam, Bhavyaraj. And the last team, Hitansh, Jaimeet, Kavyansh.
No, I don't ski, I don't skateboard.
They must have enjoyed passing through the tunnels in the trains. They would have loved passing through those darkness. But they would have never thought they will compete through the tunnels to reach the victory stand.
My favorite sport is gymnastics. Fantastic gymnastics for me.
Do you run? Do you cycle? Do you play football too?
Yes, I do. Yes, I run and I cycle. And yes, I play football too. But my favorite sport is gymnastics. It's so fantastic to me. My favorite sport is gymnastics. Fantastic gymnastics for me.
Come on, parents, let's encourage them. They are crossing every hurdle, they are crossing every tunnel so beautifully. They are encouragement even to their teammates because every member of the team is important and they know that. They know they have to reach to the winner's podium.
You play basketball too?
Yes, I do archery and judo. And I play basketball too. But my favorite sport is gymnastics. It's so fantastic to me. My favorite sport is gymnastics. Fantastic gymnastics for me.
Participants of Passing Tunnel Girls, Team 1, Harvi, Abhipsa, Aditi. Team 2 has Ananya Raj,
No, I don't ski, I don't skateboard.
Ayana,
I don't play
Hiteshri. And Team 3, Hitanshi, Jia, Vishakha.
From the east, from the west, each of us trying.
Problems are always a way for solutions, a way of learning. Now passing the problem of tunnel, they have learned there is no other way but to work hard, put an effort and reach the last lap. Let's all clap for them. Let's hear it for them, parents. Friends in the enclosures, you need to encourage your friends. Come on, everybody. Let's put a hand of applause for them.
From near, from far, it's clear wherever you are. This is your moment, your time to run like the wind. Dream big, aim high, even believe you can fly. Give it your all, let the games begin. Traveling louder, so
Yes, the strength of the team is each individual member. The strength of each member is the team. Reflecting true spirit of teamwork are participants of Lee's ball race, putting in their best during quarter and semi-final rounds. The teams that made to finals are
Among the boys, Team 1, Akshraj, Suryaveer, Divyaraj, Karmadeep. Team 2, Jaiveer, Karan Singh, Param, Naitik. Team 3 comprises Vaibhav, Veerbhadra, Vihan, Nutvik. Team 4, Jairaj, Manideep, Shivraj, Vinod. Team 5 has Ali Asgar, Ayush, Harsh Raj, Huzifa. And the last team, Rayan, Vansh, Pranjal, Advik. They must have played catch with their friends. They must have played bat and ball. But today they are competing with their friends in the fleece ball race. A very well coordinated effort. They have to put up the team together, and we can see them how well coordinated. Each member is putting an effort to make his team win. Let's all have a huge round of applause for them. Their perfection is beyond the belief. They know every minute counts. They know every moment is important. One slip and they lose the victory stand. One effort to reach the victory stand. So let's see who makes to that stand. Finalists for fleece ball race girls. Team 1, Aditi, Bhavika, Sunakshi, Hirva. Team 2, Ariana, Tisha, Pal, Artiba. Team 3, Amaira, Deepika, Mansi, Unnati. Team 4 comprises Shiyadita, Shraddha, Ravi, Garima. And Team 5, Krishi, Prisha, Ravina, Somili.
Cause I told you once, now I told you twice. We gon' light it up like it's dynamite. I came to move. Get out the way of me and my crew. I'm in the club, so I'm gonna do just what the folk came here to do. Yeah, cause it goes on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on. Yeah, I throw my hands up in the air sometimes, saying, hey, yo, gotta let go. I wanna celebrate and live my life, saying, hey, yo, baby, let's go. Cause we gon' rock this club, we gon' go all night. We gon' light it up like it's dynamite. Cause I told you once, now I told you twice. We gon' light it up like it's dynamite. I'm gonna take it all right. I'm gonna be the last one standing higher overall right.
Good morning, one and all present here. Now I would like to take the pleasure to invite Mrs. Nambiar, accompanied by Ms. Ruma ma'am, to hand over the prizes to the winner group. Passing the tunnel, boys group.
तो हिंदुस्तान चले हिंदुस्तान चलो तो
Bronze medalists are Deeptanshu Pathak, Dakshraj Jadeja, Neerav Niket. Silver medalists are Hitan Shah, Jamie Singh Jadeja, Kavyansh Sadaria. And the winner are Arav Dolaria, Vaibhav Singh and Chintan Rabari. Can we have a huge round of applause, parents?
From near, from far, it's clear wherever you are. This is your moment, put
सूर्यवीर, दिव्यराज, परमदीप. सिल्वर, वैभव, वीरभद्र, विहान, नुत्विक. And the gold medal goes to Rayan, Vansh, Pranjal, Advik.
जिंदगी का ये खड़ा ले, एक सांस में चढ़ा ले, हिचकियों में क्या है वरना पूरा मर ले.
Congratulations to the groups.
कोयला काला है, चट्टानों ने पाला है, अधूरा कांच कर दे. जिंदगी का ये खड़ा ले, एक सांस में चढ़ा ले, हिचकियों में क्या है वरना पूरा मर ले. कोयला काला है, चट्टानों ने पाला है, अंदर काला बाहर काला पर सच्चा है सारा. कोयला काला है, चट्टानों ने पाला है, अंदर काला बाहर काला पर सच्चा है सारा. कोयला काला है, चट्टानों ने पाला है, अंदर काला बाहर काला पर सच्चा है सारा. कोयला काला है, चट्टानों ने पाला है, अंदर काला बाहर काला पर सच्चा है सारा. जिंदा है तो प्याला पूरा भर ले. कच्चा टूटे चूरा कांच कर ले. जिंदगी का ये खड़ा ले, एक सांस में चढ़ा ले, हिचकियों में क्या है मरना पूरा मर ले. कोयला काला है, चट्टानों ने पाला है.
Bronze winners are Ariana, Tisha, Pearl, Artiba. Silver, Amira, Mansi, Deepika, Unnati. And the gold goes to Aditi, Bhavika, Sonakshi, Hirwa.
उलझे क्यों पैरों में ये ख्वाब, कदमों से रेशम खींच ले.
It's a humble request to all the parents. You can collect or receive your award only at the end of the program. It's a request. Please don't receive your kids in between the program. The final round participants of alphabetical race. Team 1, Shyam, Satyajit, Pranshu. Team 2, Devansh, Dheya, Anirudh. Team 3, Darshan, Dhairya, Arav. Team 4, Karthik, Manav, Om. Team 5, Amarjit, Devansh, Bhavya. And Team 6, Pranit, Atman, Devansh.
चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले, तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले, तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले, तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले. लगा हाथ के सूरज सुबह निकाला करे, हथेलियों में भरे
Have learned the alphabets. It's the time they know how to sequence them. Let's all see how much they have grasped and what are they going to do to reach the victory stand. Let's all clap for them.
हथेलियों में भरे धूप और उछाल करे, उफक पे पाँव रखो और चलो, अकड़ के चलो, उफक पे
The final round participants of alphabetical race girls. Team 1 Jyotirmayi, Vyas, Krishna. Team 2 Anjali, Hirva, Vidisha. Team 4 Arna, Namya, Diya. And the last team Vanshika, Kritika, Navya. And make their teachers proud. A better learner, a better implication. Will they make their way to winner's podium? A huge round for them. They are putting their best effort to complete the final lap. Let's hear it for them, parents.
चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले, तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले, तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले। लगा हाथ के सूरज सुबह निकाला करे, हथेलियों में भरे धूप और उछाला करे।
Together, everyone achieves more. This is what team stands for. Presenting before you are selected teams of frog race participation. After the quarter and semi-final rounds of selection, the teams which made to finals of frog race are:
Among the boys, Team 1 Amir, Devik, Deep, Rehan. Team 2 comprises Somajit, Viraj, Dharmadeep, Rudra. Team 3 Jigar, Kaushal, Amin, Rudra. Team 4 Jaisal, Purvaraj, Sarthak, Siddharth. Team 5 Siddharth, Atharva, Nilay, Rudra. And the last team Yash, Vivan, Yug, Vedant. We have seen them jumping in their classes. We all have seen them jumping in the grounds. Their parents have seen them jumping in the houses. But today we are seeing them jumping to win. They'll make us proud. They'll make us feel their jumping has not gone waste. Let's see who all jumped to the victory podium. Keep motivating them, keep cheering them up. Our motivation is their energy capsule. Let's all hear it for them.
हिम्मत से जो कोई चले, धरती हिले.
Leaving behind each other, be their friends. But today, it's only the victory podium they are seeing. They know a miss will keep them back. They know their efforts will get them a medal.
हिम्मत से जो कोई चले, धरती हिले, कदमों तले. तू चल यूं ही अब सुबह शाम, रुकना झुकना नहीं तेरा काम. तू चल यूं ही अब सुबह शाम, रुकना झुकना नहीं तेरा काम. पाएगा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा, लक्ष्य तो हर हाल में पाना है.
Participants of Frog Race Girls, Team 1 Ishita, Krisha, Nishta, Sara. Team 2 Arohi, Apeksha, Princey, Suhani. Team 3 consists Ashvika, Sakshi, Dhruv, Mansirat. And the last team Vanshika, Lakshya, Anahita, Akshara. girls impose the image of shyness, sweetness, cuteness. But today they know if they don't shut away that appearance of theirs, they are not going to make it. So they are jumping for victory. They are jumping for medals. They are jumping to leave their friends behind and move to the winner's designation. Let's all clap for them, parents. Let's all hear it for them.
तेरा तूने पहचाना है
A well-coordinated effort by each member of the team. Because a team, every member is important. This is what they are learning from the sports events.
हाँ यही सपना है तेरा तूने
Children in enclosure, please clap for your friends.
तुझे अब ये
All of you in the enclosure, please clap for your friends. Please motivate them.
रोके तुझको आंधियां क्या जमीन और आसमां पाएगा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा लक्ष्य तो हर हाल में पाना है
Talents win games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championships. Showing excellent teamwork before you are the participants of sack race. A well-coordinated effort put in by kids. The 5 teams which made to finals are
Among boys, first team, Onik, Prajwal, Rohan, Ronak. Team 2, Kush, Madhur, Pratipal, Rachit. Third team, Rajoshri, Divyaraj, Kadam, Keshav. Fourth team comprises Dhwanit, Shubham, Nivan, Siddharth. Team 5, Nirav, Nived, Raj, Shashmit. And the last team, Vishyut, Janmang, Kush, Man. They never like restrictions. Freedom is their way of living. Boys have always been like this, but let's see how they make it with the sack race. Finalists for sack race girls. Team 1, Amina, Shubhi, Mishti, Niyati. Team 2, Siham, Sneha, Janvi, Nishka. Team 3, Prarthana, Tamanna, Tanushri, Tia. Fourth team, Chainika, Mahi, Sanskruti, Vidushi. And the last team, Anya, Dhyani, Nisha, Saundarya. At times, barriers are blessings. Blessings have always been a boon. So let's see how these blessings work for our girl participants. Who makes to the victory stand?
Now I'll request Mrs. Dubey, accompanied by Mrs. Abha, escorted by Angana ma'am, to do away the honors. Alphabetical race. Third prize goes to the team Pranit Bhanderi, Atman and Divansh. Silver medal winners are Shyam Bhagwat, Satyajit and Pranshu.
अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है
Gold medal winners are Amarjeet, Divansh, Bhavya. Alphabetical race girls winners are bronze medal Vanshika, Kritika and Navya. This is a team event. Silver medal Jyotirmayi, Chami and Krishna, and gold medal Arna, Namya and Diya. Bronze medal Yash Gandhi, Bivan, Yug and Vedant. Silver medal Jigar, Kaushal, Muhammad and Rudra. Gold medal winners are Amir, Devik, Deep, Rehan. Frog jump race girls. Bronze medal Ashwika, Shakshi, Dhruvi, Aditri. Silver medal Ishita, Krisha, Nishtha, Sana. Gold medal winners are for frog jump race girls Arohi, Apeksha, Princey, Suhani. Thank you, Mrs. Dubey, and thank you, Mrs. Abha. Now I'll request Mr. Abhishek Nair, Regional Manager, Gujarat Coup Sports, escorted by his talent sir, to give away the prizes to the winners. Sack race boys, bronze medal goes to Khush Talpara, Madhur Tiwari, Pratipal and Rachit Maurya. Silver medal goes to Dhwanit, Shubham, Nivan and Siddharth. And the gold medal winners are Vishyut, Janmang, Kush and Man. Girls for bronze medal, Prarthana, Tamanna, Tanushri, Tia. Silver medal winners are Chainika, Mahi, Sanskruti, Vidushi. Gold medal winners are Siham, Sneha, Jhanvi and Nishka. Mr. Abhishek Nair. Now I'll request Sahana ma'am for vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you is all that takes to express gratitude infinitely. I take this privilege to thank our distinguished Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Akash Shrikande, Mr. Manoj Dubey, Mr. and Mrs. Darshan, Mrs. Nambiar, and Mr. Abhishek Nair. Our sports day has become very special with your presence here with us today. We are indeed greatly honored. My sincere thanks to all the parents and well-wishers. Thank you to our principal, management, coordinators, staff members, and our participants for their untiring effort to make this event a successful and a gracious one. A very happy new year in advance to each one of you. Good day, and thank you so much, dear parents, and each one of you gathered here. Thank you so much.
I declare.
I request everyone to please stand for national anthem. request all the parents to please wait for 5 minutes before they receive the children. I request Principal Sir to escort the dignitaries to the admin block. Thank you, everyone.